Rosie Boy, Mark Anthony, Anthony Brian, J.R., Christian, Joel, Dear Lord, Christian, Ian, Arshid, Rob, Sergio, Michael. Guys, let's give a big hand for the Black Boys.
Go back, boys.
Pwede ba ako muna mauna? Ano guys, perfect na sana eh. May kulang lang eh. Ano nga po? Kulang ako eh. Dapat kasali. Guys, saludo ako. Galing. So before ko planning yung comment ng ating mga judges, gusto ko lang i-remind yung mga participants. So after back voice judges, let's start with Miss Jane Santos.
Hello, back boys. Hi. So, una, napansin ko yung costume nyo. Sobrang simple lang, pero malakas yung dating niya. Tapos second, lahat kayo naka-smile. And then, yung stunt, sobrang amazing. Sobrang hindi namin kaya yun. So, congrats for that. And last, pansin namin yung audience impact. May audience kayo dito.
Okay, thank you very much. Next is Miss Mitch Ballesteros.
Congratulations! You really are stunning and gorgeous in your stunts and in your choreography. Sobrang nagiging proud ako in knowing kung saan niya nakarating ang youth, lalo na yung boys ngayon. Diba? Parang napaka-healthy, napaka-gorgeous. Those stunts and choreography cannot be done by unhealthy boys like you. Tama ba? Tama ba? So all of you are healthy and positively living. So, ano ko lang, it's very dramatic. You can feel meron kong impact na napipil in your moves. Yung pitek na sinasabi in performance, it's there. Continue doing that. And dagdagan lang konti yung yung projection in the face. Pero overall, it's job well done for you.
Okay, thank you very much. Next is Miss Ana Marie Herrera.
Okay, like my fellow judges, I found your performance really good. More so because of your synchronization. You guys did very well, especially your hand movements. Talagang nakakaano sa mata. No? It was very pleasing to the eye. You were really doing a great job, and I think more so because you had your fan club here rooting you on. So bring them, should you move on to the next stage, bring more of these girls. And then keep up with the acrobatics. I really enjoy that. So congratulations guys. I hope you move on to the next level.
Okay, thank you very much once again, Back Boys. Bill Manikas, ready naman sila? Wala